I was home from work and I heard a cough, like a smoker's cough. And I didn't put two and two together at the time. The way that it works is if you walk through our kitchen, there's a hallway that connects the spare room, the bathroom, and our bedroom is like right there, like their kitty corner. So I called my husband and I was like, "Hey, did you come home early?" And he was like, "No." I heard the cough. Like there was nothing about it. I was a paranormal investigator. I am a paranormal investigator. My whole, like, went out the window. Because I was like, what the hell?